Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate truffles with biscuits. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite biscuits, 100 grams of good quality dark chocolate, 50 grams of unsalted butter, and 60 milliliters of heavy cream. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation sets you up for delicious success. Now, let's get to the fun part. Take your 200 grams of biscuits and crush them into fine crumbs. A food processor works best for this, but you can also use a rolling pin. Next, gently melt the 100 grams of dark chocolate with 50 grams of unsalted butter in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Once melted, stir in the 60 milliliters of cream until everything is beautifully smooth and combined. With your biscuit crumbs and chocolate mixture ready, it's time to combine them. Pour the melted chocolate and cream mixture over the biscuit crumbs in a large bowl. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined and a thick dough forms. Now, cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial to ensure the mixture firms up enough for easy rolling. Finally, remove the chilled mixture from the refrigerator. Take small portions and roll them between your palms to form uniform truffle balls, about 1 inch in diameter. You can then coat these delicious truffles in cocoa powder, shredded coconut, sprinkles, or finely chopped nuts for a beautiful finish. Arrange them on a serving platter and enjoy your homemade treats. For more great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.